No. Like lag. I can't play, mate.
You got 96 ping, so.
Yeah, play. I can't play it.
What's the fucking problem?
I don't know.
The problem is that eNz is hacking, that's one.
I am hacking.
You're a hacking dude. Yeah, everyone knows that you're a fucking hacker.
He's not a hacker, dude.
Yeah, he is a hacker.
No, he's not.
Fuck off! Yeah?
You better calm
Oh,
down,
fine.
mate.
Wat kan niet?
Sorry, mate, but I'm still lagging.
Ja, leg je ballen maar lekker dan.
Like, calm down.
Look at this! Look at this! Look at this wall hack! Look at that wall hack! Look at that fucking wall hack! Wall hacker. Stop playing, dude. We all know you've got a wall hack.
Yep.
If you got all right, just take it.
Kan niet, man! Fuck, dit hele tegenspel!
You mad, bro?
Games makes you nervous.
Oké, nee, echt! Dat kan echt niet! Nee, ik doe helemaal niks. Ik ga zijn kop eraf hakken.
Calm down. Oh god.
Teringel.
Just calm down.
Zusje dan, mij zijn kop eraf. Moet je komen.
You know it's just a game. Oh. Just a game.
Oh my god!
God, I mean,
Stop je kop eraf, hè! Fuck you!
what the
Fuck
fuck?
you!
You are rage
Fuck you.
quitting.
Fucker.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Fucking hacker. Can't take it anymore. Yeah, that guy's gonna kill me. Yeah, sure, bro.
Oh.
Dude, that's unbelievable. I can't. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Oh!
I want to see that. I want to see that.
He's double killed me against geval baixo.
Dude, oh, the eNz, I'm gonna kick that guy.
Double kill.
Fuck you, fuck you. Go die, go fucking die.
Dude, calm down. It's just a game.
And so what?
It's not acting.
I'm gonna be raging in this shit.
I'm still
It's
winning
not acting.
with my app.
Yeah, I'm still winning. I win from your mom.
Did I
Yeah,
like
boom!
outplaying or something?
Yes! Stop hacking, dude. We know. So for now.
Stop crying.
What the fuck are you, invisible man? You're fucking invisible, dude. Noob hacker. Fuck you. I win! Ah!
Oh my god. Oh,
I win, lol!
Postman's not scope.
I don't
I can
think
move.
yeah, I fight corns. Okay, that's another map. What map?
Terminal.
No, I
My
rise.
I do a good
I
map.
rise. No, I rise.
Arrive. No, I rise. Yeah.
Open you all.
No.
Okay.
No. No. Dude, stop crying, dude.
Cry, your mom's cry when I fuck her.
Dude, don't be mad. Stop talking about my mom. Don't be mad.
Yes, I will.
You are a rage quitter.
Yeah, did I quit the game? Did I quit? Did I quit? Did I quit?
No.
So,
You are crier. You can't lose a fucking game. You start.
oh! Damn.
Walbeen, ik zag hem zo lopen, hij gaat achter die muur, ik schoot hem in, bam. Jij moet mijn killstreak weer verpesten.
No!
Lag.
Fucker.
Yay!
Fuck you, I mean the FGNs or what the fuck's the noob name is.
That's me.
Oh, lol. Oh.
You are winning as you are the host.
No, what's that?
Does that lag?
That's not why I'm winning. All the other oversnipe, I sniping has to win too, so. Hard scope, bro. Nice hard scope, bro. Okay, what the hell was that?
Stop camping. Seriously, who can play with this lag?
Yeah, no one is lagging.
I am.
So, you're the only one. Oh, 360 renew. Okay, what the hell? I want to see that, serious, I want to see that. Look at this shit, look at this. No, how we know? How we know the motherfucking wall hacker? Serious, man. Can play without X.
I'm playing without X.
No, sure, you got no X, sure. And I'm Santa.
Seriously?
Oh, dat kan echt niet hoor. Het is gewoon echt 2 keer raak of zo. Fuck you, alright! I hate this guy so much. Serious, I hate him so much.
Do a 1v1 with him.
Oh, bitch. Stunning myself. What's up, aimbot?
I have everything.
Stop flashing.
What's up, Cam?
Stop complaining.
I can't, I have lag.
Yeah, I lag too, because eNz is in it. Oh, kid, oh my god.
100 shots to the guard.
Don't saw that fucking bitch.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna leave the game because I'm lagging. Nice one.
I suck.
Oh.
Hacker. Hacker.
You're a
I
hacker.
am the hacker.
Yes, he is a hacker. Okay, let's do another map.
You mad, bro?
He's not a...
Let's do...
You mad, bro?
A bit.
You mad? Like a
So you're funny now? You're a funny boy now?
always funny.
Dude, he's trolling you.
What the fuck is that for print screen? Is that your house or something? It's so dark now. I don't even ghost or something?
Look.
Yeah, just a question. That's trick. It's a trick shots. If you can.
Hey, dude.
So,
you want to make a 1x1 3 shots with me?
Yeah.
Okay, one day. When you're able. But not in that server because I'm lagging like shit. My computer's getting old, you know.
Okay, dude, just tell me, what the hell are you doing?
I'm killing you.
And just a question. What the fuck are you shooting on me?
What? What's the problem?
Dude,
Fuck
I'm gonna tell this year again. He's not hacking. I always get mad. I always get mad with him, like I'm sniper.
He's mad.
Oh, okay. Don't be mad with me. I'm not.
I from Nintendo 64. Online, most Modern Warfare 3.
Yeah, Nintendo 64. You got Modern Warfare 3 on it. Sure, why not? That's freaking impossible. But what the hell?
Newbie.
New. Just kidding. Don't be mad with me. It's not my fault. He's